Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no improvement. Why paying in full when you can subscribe to EMI payment on this product? Number 1, no improvement. Number 2, pay. Number 3, to pay. Number 4, to be paid. Correct answer is number 2, pay. Select the most. Number 2, pay. The correct answer is option 2, number pay. An interrogative sentence can be written by why not plus verb first infinitive without to plus other words plus clause. According to this rule, we need to use pay of the place of paying. Select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. If there is no need to substitute it, select no improvement. Given the good preparation of the players, India could win India could win more medals this time. Must be winning. Option 1. Option 2, could have been. Option 3, no improvement. Option 4, should win. The correct answer is option 4, should win, because there is an explication if the given statement and showing advice, opinion, recommendation, expectation, should, must, need plus verb first is used. Only the choose option follows this rule, hence if he'll be the correct answer. The correct sentence will be given the good preparation of the players. India should win more medals this time. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate word. Deforestation is a primary to climate change. Contributor, alternative, outcome, achievement. Option 4. The correct answer is number 1, contributor. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given option. Contributor, someone or something that contributes to something. Alternative, that you can use to etc instead of something else. Outcome, the result of effect of an action, an event. Achievement, something that you have done successfully, especially thought hard work or skill. One of the primary donors contributor to climate change is deforestation. This scene is hidden in the given statement, hence the choose option will be correct. The correct sentence will be definition of primary contributor to climate change. Fill in the blanks. With the most appropriate word, the three brothers loved one another, each other, with each other, everyone. The correct answer is one other. The correct answer is option 1, one other. Whenever two nouns are used in a sentence, then for showing reciprocation, use each other, but when more than two nouns are used, we used one other. The given statement is talking about more than two nouns, so we need you use one other. The correct sentence will be the three brothers loved one another. Select the option that express the given sentence in the passive voice. Rani had eaten the whole cake before it was night. Option 1. The whole cake had been eaten by Rani before it was night. Option 2. The whole cake was eaten by Rani before it was night. Option 3. The whole cake was eaten by Rani before it had been night. Option 4. The whole cake had eaten by Rani before it had been night. The correct answer is option 1. The whole cake had been eaten by Rani before it was night. In the original sentence, the subject Rani is performing the acting at eating on the object the whole cake. That transform the sentence into the passive voice, we need to make the object the whole cake. The subject of the sentence and the subject Rani becomes the object of the preposition by the helping verb had becomes had been in the passive voice, and eaten become the past participle been eaten the parts before it was night remains unchanged as it does not affect the passive transformation. 3 4. Therefore, the passive form of the given sentence in the whole cake had been eaten by Rani before it was night. Question. Select the indirect narration. Select the indirect narration of the given sentence. Rama said to Radha, return home by 6 or your father will be very angry. Option 1. Rama ordered Radha to return home by 6 or her father would have been very angry. Option 2. Rama ordered Radha to return home by 6 or her father will be very angry. Option 3. Rama told Radha to return home by 6 or her father would be very angry. Option 4. Rama ordered Radha to return home by 6 or her father would be very angry. The correct answer is Rama. Option 4. Rama ordered Radha to return home by 6 or her father would be very angry. because as the reported speech is in imperative form of speech, we need to make changes according to this. There will be a change in the reporting verb and it will be changed to ordered. As Rama is instructing Radha to make a choice, the inverted comma will be changed into as the reporting speech in the imperative form of speech. The verb is the reporting speech will be changed into would as per the rules of change of verb in conversation of direct speech to indirect speech. As all the rules are following by the choose option, it will be correct. Select the most appropriate appropriate select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Zero in on something. Number 1, concentrate on something to understand. Option 2, focus all attention on one thing. Option 3, do something useless. Option 4, choose to be less important in a rule. Correct answer option 2, focus all attention on one thing. The correct answer is option 2, focus all attention on one thing. The meaning of the given idioms is zero is on something, to direct all of one attention to someone or something. As the meaning of the given idioms is in some as the choose option, it will be correct. Select the most appropriate meaning. Pungent, punishment, puppeteer. The correct answer is option 4, puppeteer. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given word. Puppeteer, a person who operates puppets. Puddle, a small pool of water of other liquid, as especially rain that has formed of the ground. Pungent, used about a smell very strong. Punishment, the action of way of punishment somebody. As the choose option is incorrectly spelled, it will be correct answer. Select the synonym of the given word. Profusion, abundance, scarcity, moderation, paucity. Correct answer is option 1, abundance. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given words. Profusion is very large quantity of something. Abundance, that situation in which there is more than enough of something. Scarcity, inefficiency of shortness of supply. Moderation, the quality of being reasonable and not being extreme. Paucity, less than now of something too little. As the choose option expresses the best meaning of the given word, it will be correct. Find the word that is the synonym of abyss. Option 1 brimful, option 2 finite, option 3 full, option 4 void. The correct answer is option 4 void. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given words. Abyss, to deep or seemingly bottomless chest pit. Void, a completely empty space. Brimful, filled with something to the point of overflowing. Finite, having a definite limit or a fixed size. Full, containing or holding as much or as many possible, having to empty space. As the choose option express the best meaning of the given word, it will be correct. Select the antonym of the given word. Appropriate. Option 1 section, option 2 Denny, option 3 indoors, option 4 command. The correct answer is option 2 Denny. The correct answer is option 2 Dennis. Let's have a look at the meaning of the given words. Appropriate, approve, formally sanction. Denny, the state that something is not true. To refuse to admit or accept something. 3 sanction, official permission to do or change something. Endorse, publicly that you give official support or agreement. to a plan, statement, decision, etc. Option 5, comment. To say if officially that somebody something is very good. As the choose option expresses the opposite meaning of the given word, it will be correct. Select the antonym of the given word. Berate. Option 1, applaud. Option 2, castigate. Option 3, scold. Option 4, defy. The correct answer is option 1, applaud. Let's have look at the meaning of the given word. Berate, scold or criticize someone angrily. Applaud, to hit your hands together noisily, clap to order, to show that you like somebody something, to express approval of something, castigate, to criticize, strongly oppose or punish somebody something severely, scold, to speak angrily to somebody because he she has done something bad or wrong, defy, to refuse to obey somebody something, to make something impossible or very difficult. As the choose option expresses the option meaning of the given word, it will be correct. Select the word which means the same as the group of words given a person who acts against religion. Option 1, cynic. Option 2 heretic. Option 3 agnostic. Option 4 fanatic. The correct answer is option 2 heretic. Let's have a look of the meaning of given word heretic. A. Heretic, a person who acts against religions. Cynic. Option 2 cynic, one who sneers of the beliefs of other of person who believe that pupilly only do things for themselves rather than to help others. Agnostic, one who is not sure about God extensions. Fanatic, one who is filled with expresses autism is religion matter, as the choose option expresses the meaning of the given groups of word, it will be correct. Select the word which means the same as the group of word given government by new in inexperienced hands. Neocracy, guaranteed democracy, autonomy. The correct answer is option 1 neocracy. It's have looked the meaning of the given word nuclear government by new or inexperienced hand. Plutocracy as state society as group govern, governed by old people. Democracy a system of government by the whole population, all of the eligible members of the state, typically thought elected representative. Autonomy a self-governing country or region. As the choose option expresses the meaning of the given group of word, it will be correct. Question. Given the below are four jumble sentence. Select the option that gives their correct order. A. Child marriage. Child marriage robs girls of their childhood and threatens their life and health. B. Girls who marry before 18 are more likely to experience domestic violence and less likely to remain in school. C. They have was economic the health outcomes than their unmarried peers. D. Child bride often become pregnant during adolescence when the risk of complication during pregnancy, death, and childbirth increase. Option 1 B C D A. Option 2 C D A B. Option 3 A B C D. Option 4 A B C B. The correct answer is option 3 A B C D. The easiest way of solving of parajumble is to find a pair statement opinion statement. Child marriage is the subject about which the paragraph of talking is. Statement A will be the starting of the statement. Statement B talk about you result to the child marriage. Hence it will come after A, C and D will come respectively of the further aid about child marriage. Now we have the final arrangement is A, B, C, D. The choose option is the sum at the final appropriates, hence it will be correct. Given below are four jumble sentence. Select the option that gives their correct order. A. Birds have thus evolved a highly efficient means for traveling swiftly over long distance with great economy of energy. B. Most spacious space because of their high metabolic rate require a rich abundant supply of food at frequent in- intervals. C. Such a situation does not always prevail throughout the year is any given regi- region. D. Migration is most evident among birds. Option A D C A B. Option 2 C D A B. Option 3 A C D B. Option 4 D B C A. The correct answer is option 4 D B C A. The easiest way of solving of para jumble is to find a pair of statement of the opening statement. Migration is the subject about which the paragraph talking hence statement D will be at the starting of the statement. Statement B talk about the need of bird, hence we need to keep it after the opening statement. Statement C tells not their need is not available at the place for the whole year, hence they had the migrate, hence it will be kept after B. Now statement A concludes that for migration they have efficient means of traveling, hence it will be kept at the end of the statement. Now we have the final arrangement T and DVCA. Let's choose option is as sum as the final arrangement, hence it will be the correct. In the sentence, identify the segment which contains the grammatical error. Colorful fish, water planet, and a placid lake make a serene spectacle to watch. Number one, and a placid lake. Number two, colorful fish, water plants. Number three, spectacle to watch. Number four, make a serene. The correct answer is number four. Option four, make a serene. The error lines is part three of the statement because of the wrong use of syntax. We need to replace make with makes for making the statement grammatically correct. Grammar, grammatical concept. A singular noun is followed by the singular verb, while a plural noun is followed by the plural verb. If then more noun is used officially collectively to give one sense of consider it as singular, and the singular verb for it has the statement of noun are the are used to spectacle, hence it will be concept singular and singular verb will be used, hence the choose option is correct. The correct sentence will be colorful fish, water plants and placid lake makes a serene spectacle to watch. In the sentence, identify to segment which contains the grammatical error. The minister's decision to donate to the PM Relief Fund is praiseworthy. Number one, option number one, to donate in the number two, PM Relief Fund. Number three, the minister's decision. Number four is praiseworthy. The correct answer is option three, the minister decision. The error the error lies is part three of statement because of the wrong use of noun. We need to replace minister with ministers with minister for making the statement grammatically correct. Correct. Grammatically concept in case of the plural noun for making the possessive case of it we just add an apostrophe at the end as the already contains, hence the choose option is correct. The correct sentence will be the minister decision is donate to the PM fund is praiseworthy. Who among who among the following has won gold at the Commonwealth Games 2022? Option 1 Anchita Shuli, option 2 Mirabai Chanu, option 3 both of the above, and option 4 none of the above. The correct answer is option 3 both of the above, because Achinta Shuli win the gold medal at the Commonwealth Games 2022. A white filter Achinta Shuli win gold medal at Commonwealth Games 2022 in Birmingham. B. Saikom Mirabai Chanu is an India white filter. 27-year-old Mirabai Chanu lifted a total of 201 kg to win the gold medal of the Commonwealth Games 2022. Question: the scattering of light in colloidal solution is called. Option 1 dialysis, option 2 corrosion, option 3 Tyndall effect, option 4 suspension. The correct answer is option 3 Tyndall effect, because the colloidal particles with size is 100 1000 nm and anode 2 scatter of beam of light passing through them. This scattering of the beam of light by colloidal particles is called of the Tyndall effect. We continuously show that Tyndall effect because the particles remain suspended in the entire situation. Which device is used for measuring the speed of rotation? Option 1 tachometer, option 2 speedometer, option 3 odometer, option 4 tensiometer. The correct answer is option 1 tachometer. A tachometer is an instrument that is used for measuring the rotation speed of a disk or a meter of another machine. The device usually displays the revolution per minute. More info about options: device tachometer, quantity measured the surface tension of a liquid; odometer, distance traveled; speedometer, speed the velocity of a vehicle. The most abundant material in the earth continental crust is option 1 olivine, option 2 feldspar, option 3 quartz, option 4 amphiboles. Amphiboles. The correct answer is option 2 feldspar. Feldspar is the most common mineral in the Earth Continental Crust. If you consider the entire crust, quartz is only the second most common mineral. Feldspar are the group of rock forming tapellaceous minerals that make up about 41% of the Earth's continental crust by weight. Feldspar crystallize from magma of both intrusive and exclusive igneous rocks are the expression of many types of metamorphic rocks. Who is the head of a union territory? Number one, governor. Number two, president. Number three, vice president. And number four, lieutenant government. The correct option is number four, lieutenant governor. Lieutenant governor is the head of the union territories of Andaman and Nicobar Island, Delhi and Puducherry. In the union territories, administrators are appointed. The lieutenant government is also appointed the president for a term of 5 years. Which is the following metros has planned to introduce artificial intelligence based cameras? Option 1 Chennai Metro, option 2 Kochi Metro, option 3 Delhi Metro, option 4 none of the above. The correct answer is option 2 Kochi Metro. Kochi Metro plans is introduce artificial intelligence based cameras. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi first introduce a nationwide satyagraha in India? Option 1 1915, option 2 1921, option 3 1919, option 4 1916. The correct answer is option 3 1919. Gandhiji decided to launch a nationwide satyagraha against a proposed Rowlatt Act of 1919. The act gave the British government enormous power of suppressal political activities and allowed the detention of political prisoners without trial for 2 years. The successfully organized Satyagraha movement, the Viros place also inaugurated Gandhiji. Incorporated Gandhiji.